his name is, and my name is Salim Khurram. My watching and me show और my teacher class is and Ramzan के बाद
You are speaking English? You are trying to speak English? Very good. Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you all? My son, as you all know, and he is just trying to speak English as he is learning. He is taking class of online classes of English, but due to Ramzan, he has skipped. After Ramadan, inshallah, he will rejoin. So that is why he is just trying to utilize his English skills which he has learned so far. So he is just sharing with you guys. So just ignore the mistakes and everything. So after a long time he has joined. He has come and they have decided to just do HNS show. Okay, Sarim, just let's start the show and let's start conversation. Okay. So let's say hello to everyone. Hi, karo. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. How are you all?
How are you?
Sarim, meet my sister.
Meet my sister. Please watching.
Sundus. Is there
Invite.
anyone?
I
Is
am
anyone watching?
invited to my family members.
Assalamu alaikum guys, if you have joined this show, so thank you so much for joining. If you don't know, so he is my son, she is my daughter, and they have got one elder sibling as Ram, and he is watching cartoons right now. You are they both have their own show, the name of HNS show. HNS stands for Haram, Sarim and Sundas, and these are the names of my children. So they just come live, they do their own show, entertain you. So please just talk, comment, encourage them, and they have come after a long time. They have come live. Sarim, you can just talk now. You can just show your teddy bear to the viewers. Just show.
I am a sleeping time for it's. I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
You are be confident. You are doing very well. Mashallah, you are the talented student. Yes. Sundas, talk. Say assalamu alaikum everyone. Say Sundas, wahan dekho. Sundas doesn't understand any single word of English. I think so. Yeah. Right.
क्या कर रही है बच्चा?
Sarim, am I right? Does she understand English or not?
Not.
Why?
Is for बोलना या सीखने.
She is learning. You are learning.
It's our baby talking and Papa talking and Mama talking and I am talking.
Viewers, you people can comment. You can ask questions from my children. They have got their own show by HNS. As I have told you the details earlier.
Talking.
Yeah. Okay, Sarim. Nowadays, what are you doing? Like, are you enjoying Ramadan?
Yes, I am. Ramadan enjoying.
Okay. What do you eat in Ramzan? Like in iftar, what do you eat? Sundas, please don't disturb. You can just use it.
मेरे teeth is
Gone.
gone.
It has been broken. Like, toot, yeah. So why are you showing your open window teeth?
And
I think we are not getting the comments. Like, let's see, let's try. Or maybe people are not commenting. You can just ask them to comment. बोला I like your comments. Just say
to add the comments.
very
And
good. You like reading? Asha, do you want to share some of your new artistic work? What have you made so far? Like new things. What have you created? You can just share, so it will be more interesting.
my drawing
It will be
is not
new. Just show.
covered.
Show Sundar.
My drawing is back and
Sundar is showing something. You people can see. This is the new artwork of Sarim, and Sarim has just drawn and cut it into the man, and filled the color, and everything is done by Sarim. He has created by his mind and just made it. Sarim, just talk to the viewers. Where? Over here, like this? This? You get, what is this? Where, like this? No, I'm not able to find. You can come and just take.
Please
I'm
for
coming.
me. I am coming.
Sundas, give it to me. Sundas, you can go there. You can sit there. आप वहाँ बैठो. आप वहाँ बैठ जाओ. यहाँ पे बैठ के प्रोग्राम को शो करो, होस्ट करो. ड्राइंग उठाओ भाई. ये कह रही है ड्राइंग कर दी. सुंदस को देखो. वहाँ पे कौन है वो देखो. सुंदस ये देखो. कैमरा.
I am welcome back. Drawing नहीं है वो पेपर. He is my.
It is not he is.
It is my drawing.
Show it properly by taking time. Like this. First of all, let it be focused on the camera.
It is my drawing.
Sarim, like this. You should show like
It
this.
is my drawing.
Not in a hurry, so that people can watch properly.
It
Your
is my
favorite viewer has come. Join Mohammed. They were waiting for you. As you always watch their show, HNS show has come again. Like you can join if you want to. Hello Sarim, how are you? Sarim, Mohammad Afzal Bhai is asking, how are you? Just reply.
I am fine, thank you.
Bolo, do you want to go live with me?
Do you want?
Asking with you.
And 2 days.
Okay guys, if you Sundar please watch. बेटा आहिस्ता बोलता, आहिस्ता बोलता. देख ली. If you guys want to join in this show and want to talk to Haram and Sarim, so please send request and tell us, so we can just take you as a guest over here right now in this show. Mohammad Afzal Bhai, do you want to join Sarim right now in your conversation? Anmol Alif is saying, hello Sarim, how are you? Sarim, now comments are just, you can just get the comments, so like you can reply and read by yourself. Read and say thank you so much for watching and everything.
Anmol Alif
Is watching.
नहीं is watching.
देखें, इसका देख लें भाई आप लोग.
Cute सुंदर. अनमोल Alif.
हाँ अभी और नहीं.
सुंदर.
थैंक यू बोल दो आप. सुंदर चीजें देखो. हाँ ये देखो सुंदर.
Thank you बोल दो. Thank you. Thank you. He is
show artwork. Now new things. Once more, you have come after us. Sundar को दिखाने दो.
This is my drawing is dinosaur. I am a draw dinosaur.
I have drawn a dinosaur.
मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि खराब कर दें. ये वैसे मैंने इतनी मुश्किलों से बनाई है. इनको अगर
सुंदर की
खराब
कमेंट्री शुरू है पीछे से भैया. हाँ, सुंदर आपको बात ही नहीं करने दे रही. ये एचएनएस शो में जो एस आ गया है ना, ये सुंदर का, तो वो फिर ये सुंदर का देख. सुंदर आपको क्यूट कह तो दिया, अब और क्या कहें. देखें, सब क्लैपिंग कर दो भाई. आप लोग बताइए, ये सुंदर आपको जो ड्राइंग शो कर रही है, आपको कैसी लग रही है. आज सारिम ने अपनी सिस्टर को तैयार किया है, ड्रेस चेंज किया है. सारिम आपने एचएनएस शो के लिए इसको तैयार किया है ना. पाउडर परफ्यूम सब लगा दिया. वेरी गुड भाईजान. आप Sarim, you have got the new comment. Sarim, you have got the new comment.
बेटा
tomorrow यानी कल. I will
join
tomorrow. He will join tomorrow. That's okay.
Join you but
Beta, if you want. Yes
yes
sir.
I am want.
I want. Very good.
I am very well.
He is saying he will join tomorrow. Afzal bhai, can you join right now? If you can, so you can just join right now. You are most welcome as well. If you want to join tomorrow, so maybe it cannot be confirmed. Maybe he will come tomorrow or not. So that's the thing. Nowadays, everything is being done. As you people can see, Haram is not joining, and Haram is not conducting his own show. And I don't know why. What is happening with him? Sometimes Sarim comes and Sarim just entertain you. So super kids, Samad. Say
I
thank you.
am joined for my family members.
You want to invite your family members? Try. Let's try. बेटा यहाँ पे नहीं चल रहा ना, अभी छोड़. If anyone want to join in this show, so Sarim, she is calling you. सुंदर साहब शो छोड़ के कहाँ भाग गई है?
कह रही है कि तो
आज एचएनएस शो में से एच गायब है यानी हरम गायब है, और एस आए हैं यानी सारिम भी है. तो अब सारा का शो नहीं है वैसे. ये लाइक सारा का, इनकी मम्मा का शो कौन सा होता है, अलग होता है. दी सारा खुरम शो.
दी सारा खुरम.
अच्छा, आप हरम सारिम मेरे शो के बारे में ज़रा व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि आपकी मम्मा क्या करती हैं और शो क्यों करती हैं, थोड़ा बताएं. Why I am confused? You are doing great. What do you want to say? I think he wants to say that my mama is doing great work, so like he used confused words. Maybe. No. So you can speak. There is no restriction like you have to speak in English only. वेरी गुड भाई. इनकी मम्मा घर के कामों में मसरूफ़ रहती हैं, ये कह रहे हैं. लेकिन हाँ, लेकिन अभी ये आपका शो है ना, इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ. करती हैं तीसरा फोरम शो, वो कैसा होता है, आपको अच्छा लगता है?
मम्मा उसमें थोड़ा कुछ सिखाती भी हैं
और मैं गेस्ट
और टीचर भी, और टीचर जैसा मतलब.
आपकी मम्मा है क्या?
My mama is teacher.
So do you like it?
Yes,
Like being your mama as a teacher?
my mom is very
Good, thank you. अच्छा, आप सोच रहे हो कि अपने मुंह से खुद ही तारीफें करवा रही है. Do I really deserve appreciation? Like क्या मैं वाकई डिजर्व कर रही हूँ appreciation, या आप ऐसे ही दिल रखने के लिए कह रहे हो? दिल रखने के लिए कह रहे हो?
नहीं दिल लगने के लिए
भाई सही बता दें जो चाह रहे हैं. सुंदर से मिलवा. अच्छा चलेंगे अपने
सुंदर for talking you.
सुंदर has come. Join the show. वो देखो अब सलाम करें सबको. आपको बुला रहे हैं, देखो कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. हेलो, वेयर इज हरम. हरम इज नॉट ज्वाइनिंग. सुंदर का म्यूजिक शुरू हो गया. आई थिंक वी शुड बाइंड इस शो में. तो प्लीज बताएं ये किन्होंने कहा है. साजिद भाई आप रिक्वेस्ट भेजें. साजिद भाई अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं सारिन को, तो आप ना रिक्वेस्ट भेजिए. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ गया है, आप रिक्वेस्ट भेजिए. ओ ये मैंने क्या कर दिया. When he will take my daughter's interview. अभी आप करवा लें, अभी आ जाएं अपनी बेटी को लेके, ये बात कर लेंगे. सारे में आप बताओ आप इनकी बेटी से कब बात करेंगे. अभी ले आए. बोले साजिद भाई को इंटरव्यू. आप लोग कॉन्वर्सेशन कर लें. सुंदर
आप चाहें तो कल भी ले आए, कभी भी.
फिर आप अच्छा डिसाइड कर लोगे, फिर आ जाओगे ना शो में.
कभी भी ले आए मैं आ जाऊँ.
पक्का. तो फिर अभी यहाँ बात कर लेना, टाइम डिसाइड कर लें अभी आज. सुंदर डिस्टर्ब्स यू, तो मैं सुंदर को संभाल लूँगी. ओके. या और कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे. हरम, डू यू वांट टू जॉइन योर ओन शो, HNS शो? राइट नाउ HNS शो इज बीइंग कंडक्टेड. Sarin is doing very well and people are asking about you. They are calling you. Okay, no, he's not.
He is
Interested.
not interested.
What happened to him? Why he is doing like this?
He is very
Naughty. Okay, Sarin, do you want to show some more of your drawings, or like we should wind up and say Allah Hafiz?
And my Allah is up.
Say Allah Hafiz. सुंदर Allah Hafiz कह दो. हम लोग जा रहे हैं. Allah Hafiz कह दो. तो आप तो ना भाई सुंदर.
इनको दूध पीना है.
अच्छा, मैं ला रही हूँ बना के. आप जो है ना बातें करो जब तक. आ रही हूँ, ला रही हूँ. आप जब तक सुंदर साहब बातें करो. नहीं करनी बात. सारे वाइंड अप कर दो शो. अल्लाह हाफिज कहते हैं. एक मिनट मैं देती हूँ. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज. हैप्पी रमजान कहते हैं.